guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this Vogue cover filter on Instagram. So this is the filter, and this filter is having different template. You just have to tap on the screen to change the template. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I think 6 filters are there. So to get this effect, you can visit the creator profile. Clone is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock this filter to your camera tray. So check in his filter gallery, and this is the filter, Vogue magazine. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your camera tray and you can try it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.